Two of them down. Welcome back, everyone. It's Logan coming at you from Hunting Pros, and this is another waterfowl video. I'm super stoked to bring you guys this one. Actually, my buddy Steve came out with me for a duck hunt. It was his first time ever going duck hunting, and guess what? He shot some birds, which is awesome. So that puts him on the board. He was super excited, and quite frankly, I was really excited to be out with him and experience that with him. Anyway, in this video, I used Kent Fasteel 2.0, and so did Steve. I'll let you guys get to it. If you do enjoy, please slap the like button, also subscribe, and of course, as always, stay tuned for next time. Side, buddy. Kill him. Kill him when he's pressed on. Right now, kill him. Good shot, buddy. Good shot, buddy. That's too high now. The wind's blowing too much. Got one. There, you got one, bud. Go grab him. Oh, he's dead. Well, guys, Steve just got his first duck ever. The second duck we missed is really windy and it's kind of blowing our shot a bit. The second duck we never got that came in with that one. But anyway, he's coming back with his first bird there, and this wind's actually kind of working in our favor. It's a crosswind, and they're bowing right up into the wind to come into the decoys. So anyway, guys, hopefully we get some more. It's a nice size one. Yeah. He's coming in. Right on your side, buddy. See him? See him? See him? See him? Give it to him. Kill 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 him. He got hit pretty good. Yeah. He came in nice, that one. Yeah. Kill him, buddy, when he comes in. Kill him now. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him. Right in front of us. Right in front of us. Two of them down. Kill him. Nice shot, man. He's dead. He's dead? He's dead. Well, we're up to 7 in the blind here. And I just shot another one off camera, so that's making 8. Number 9, we just found a cripple. We walked all the way from the blind. Yeah. So that's 9 ducks. I think we're probably going to call it a day unless we shoot a couple more when we get back. And man, it's windy. It's blowing 55. So, anyway, right on, man.